Hello everyone, I'm Sanvi.
I'm Shrestha.
And I'm Tanishq.
We are Team BLB. The problem statement that we have chosen is in a way to ensure access to education for all.
We have built an app in which students can learn the required subject in the language known to them.
Language is necessary for expressing feelings and explaining facts in a structured manner. The phrase language barriers refers to the problems that a person faces while communicating with someone who speaks a different language. The most obvious example of a language barrier is someone who speaks the language native to their birthplace migrating to a new location. We conducted a survey to find the problems faced by migrant students in our school. The results showed that many students are from in and around Karnataka, yet they face issues as the spoken language of the school is English. Even if their previous education was in English or Kannada, migrant students are not fluent in communication in one or both languages. Students need help with almost every school subject. More than 50% of students prefer one to one interactions as their form of learning.
We looked online for studies on language barriers faced by migrant students. We found that most schools do not have separate mediums for education for different languages or teachers who know multiple languages. Migrant students also miss schools because they visit their native places for a long duration. This leads to them dropping out.
One to one instruction is the most effective teaching strategy for improving educational performance. To use our app, the user has to register. The details are saved in Firebase. On logging in, there are separate portals for the tutor and student. The tutor can fill in the languages, subjects, and levels they are comfortable teaching. These are stored in a spreadsheet. An expert will verify this, and a certificate will be given before the tutor is added to the database. When students need a tutor, they fill in the level, subject, and languages they know. They will see a list of tutors. When they click on a tutor's name, they will see that tutor's profile and certificate. After this, they can select a tutor. After selection, emails will be sent to the student and tutor so they can further communicate.
We showed the app to our peers and asked for feedback.
If selected for the top 350,
I, Sanvi, worked on the research.
I, Tanishq, worked on the app development.
And I, Shrestha, worked on the primary research and the graphics.
The app is available for download in the link given in the description. We hope that our app makes it easy for migrant students across the globe.
Thank you.